Good morning to you. It is 7:15. I am first warning meteorologist Eric Burris. Had to finish my conversation with Kellyanne. My apologies. It is Wednesday. It is the first day of classes, and we are together. I'm here to make sure that you have every bit of information you need to get your students out the door, to get you out the door. Think of this as an expansion of Coffee Talk. Think of it as I'm like that annoying kid brother that's always tapping you on your shoulder, just asking, is there anything I could do for you? That's what I did to Kelly. I walked in the door and was like, tap, tap. Is there anything I could do for you? Anyway, we have Saharan dust in place, and that is changing the entire forecast game. Let's look outside live and just see where we are this morning. Look at that shot. This is in Melbourne. If that's not an absolute demonstration of dust particles in the atmosphere, I don't know what is. Yeah, lots of Saharan dust. That's helping to dry us out on this back to school Wednesday, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. We'll be cycling through temperatures on the bottom of the screen throughout the broadcast. But for now, let's look outside and just see where we're at. We're in the upper range of the 70s, and I will note that even if the temperatures are in the 70s, the humidity, the mugginess, oh, it is up there. We're in a rare, miserable category on the muggy meter. We don't use that lightly. When you're at a dew point temperature of like 79 degrees, yeah. It's warm and muggy. Nancy, good morning to you. Moon was ultra hazy last night, kind of eerie. Yeah, Betty, that's why the Saharan dust that's in place. Here's a look at it, and you can just see all of that orange all scattered about Central Florida. Nancy, good morning to you. Brenda, good morning. Catherine says, good morning. Today is my son's first day of middle school. Any and all positive thoughts are welcome. It's one of those times of your life where it's not the easiest, it's not the hardest, but you grow a whole lot. So best of luck, Catherine, to your son. There's great days ahead. Nancy, good morning to you. Hope all your children and grandchildren have a great and safe school year. So how does it look for us? Here's the back to school forecast, and we're starting obviously warm and muggy this morning. We'll continue that trend but build up those temperatures through lunchtime. We're making it up to about 90 degrees for your lunch hour. We'll hit about 95 this afternoon. The school bus ride home from school is going to be warm. The afternoon does include a few showers. I think for dismissal, we're going to be fine. I think there's going to be a couple of popcorn showers, but I think the bigger coverage of thunderstorms waits until after school and then moves into our western areas. So let's track that using Futurecast, okay? And just right off the bat, we're quiet this morning. We'll continue on. Here's 11 o'clock. We're still looking good. Notice by 1:30, 2 o'clock, starting to popcorn up their showers. Let me just back this up. 2 p.m. That's when the earlier schools do start for dismissal, and you can see we do have a couple of those showers, right? So that's definitely something to watch. We'll move this through time. 4 p.m., showers starting to turn to thunder showers. And then by 5, 6 o'clock, you can kind of see out west. That's where we're going to get the more intense stormy weather. Not too bad, but just that's where we're going to get those bigger storms firing up, okay? Heat index values today get into the triple digits. It's going to be one of those days, all right? So I think both the ride to school and the ride from school are fine. It's crazy, though, to think that we are at the first day of school. It really is. New York City school begins September 8th. I know, it's so interesting, Ree, how New York and schools up north, start so much later. Yeah. First day of school, happy first day of school, Ree says. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. No wonder my allergies are going nuts. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Now, what's interesting is that those rain chances stay low today, tomorrow, and Friday. And then by Saturday, Sunday, they start to go back up. So, Betty, to answer your question, yeah, the Saharan dust actually hangs out for the next couple of days and then starts to move on out. Kenneth, good morning. Is this the 6th time? Yes, it is. It is the 6th time. That's okay. We'll hang out for a couple minutes and we'll reset. But, you know, it makes sense. It's the first day of class. We want to make sure everybody's got every bit of information that they need to on this, the first day of class. So great morning, isolated showers for dismissal. Later, after dismissal, that's when we get those thunder showers firing up. What about the next couple of days? As mentioned, rain chances subdued today, subdued tomorrow and Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, we kind of tick those rain chances up little bit by little bit. All right, any questions, comments, concerns, anything? Anybody? Just checking. Tropics, still watching Invest 97. Not expected to do much, though we are expecting an update from the National Hurricane Center here within the next couple of minutes. Kellyanne, what do you think? Did they lower the percentages for development on this thing?
Doesn't look good.
20 and 20?
Probably.
Or even 10 and 20?
It doesn't look impressive.
There's nothing going on with it. Yeah, this is Invest 97. I mean, that satellite presentation is barely a grouping of clouds. So yeah, it'll be interesting when the Hurricane Center puts out their update in the next couple of moments. All right, Ree's asking, taking a cruise next week, safe? Yeah, should be okay. Should be okay. Courtney says it was a very early morning. Well, and our goal is to help you through this early morning, and of course, to make it a little easier tomorrow and the next day and the next day. I've almost said good morning as many times as it appears in the Beatles song. That's true, Kenneth. That's true. Good morning to you, Mary. Look out for the buses and children. Indeed. Good morning, good morning. All right, people, I'm going to go. I will see you in just a couple of minutes on CW18. And of course, we'll be back live at 7:45, tracking the storms, tracking all the fun, and Coffee Talk in its normal form, firing up at 8 o'clock. All right? Be the sunshine in someone else's day. See you back here